Good afternoon. You are welcomed by Citadel Watch Company. This Rado Chronograf 538.0477.3 is a true masterpiece of Swiss watchmaking. Their stylish black color and high-quality ceramic case material give them elegance and sophistication. With a case size of 36 mm, they are perfectly balanced between sophistication and functionality. The resistant sapphire crystal protects the dial, which, by the way, is in excellent condition. The bracelet is also made of ceramic, which adds to the charm of the watch. The watch is equipped with a quartz movement, which is accurate and has a power reserve of up to 3 years. This chronometer not only displays the time with hours, minutes and seconds, but also includes date and chronograph functions, making it the perfect companion for an active lifestyle. With excellent water resistance designed to protect against splashes, this watch emphasizes its status as a reliable accessory. It is important to note that they have been previously used but are free from damage and their condition remains excellent. This is the perfect choice for those who appreciate style, quality, and functionality in one product. Have a good shopping experience and a great day. Translated with deepl.com, free version.